Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Google Identity Platform is still the best way to add Google Login to your app or insight in 2025 or if there's a better alternative. Google Identity Platform makes it easy to add secure one-tap sign-in with Google accounts using OAuth 2.0, OpenID Connect, and Firebase authentication, offering developers reliable token handling, cross-platform support, risk-based login protection, and seamless user experiences on web and mobile. So, if you're building anything from e-commerce to SaaS tools, this platform helps users log in faster with fewer passwords while letting you focus on core features, not auth headaches, and even though other providers like Auth0 or Apple Sign-in exist. Google's global reach and built-in trust still make it the top pick in 2025. That's the full review. Make login frictionless and safe. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick dev tool reviews.